Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be on the health and what my family and I are doing to maintain our immune system. We generally do a green smoothie. Before I start, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because that will let you know the next time that I upload my So you guys know what time it is. It's question time. Guys, I wanted to know if you have made some changes to your diet. Have you implemented things that are healthy that's going to boost your immune system? If you have, put down yes in the description link down below. It's very important that after you do a green smoothie that you wash your container right away. It reduces staining and it also helps it not stick. Bon appetit, green smoothie, it's amazing. We've come to the end of another video, and I wanted to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch it. Now guys, let me know, did you like the green smoothie? Have you tried it? Put yes in the description box down below. Now also giving me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, so hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're aware of every time I upload. Now I pray Psalms 91 over your life, over your household. I just pray that God protects you guys during this time and that everyone is taking the right precautions to ensure that they do not get sick. So take this time to enjoy your family. Everyone's shut in, so now it's time to whip out the board games, start talking more to your children. Tomorrow's owed to no man. So just take care. God bless you.